Hiccups? Continuous non-stop hiccups? Don't know what to do? Then try this easy acupressure trick. Locate P6, which is 3 fingers apart from the center of your wrist crease. Now press this point with gentle pressure and count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and slowly release this. Do this press and release massage technique for 1 to 2 minutes on both your hands. While doing so, do deep breathing and relax your body. This helps in relaxing the diaphragm spasm causing hiccups. So next time when you have hiccups, try this easy technique and let me know your feedback. And for more such healthy tips, do follow Swasti Siddhi, a path to natural healing.